Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a bath bomb demo from Lush. This is their Big Eggplant, and it is one of the Valentine's Day bath bombs. I thought this one was absolutely hilarious that they put it out for Valentine's Day. And I ordered it along with the other bath bombs that they put out, which wasn't too many compared to what it was last year. I believe there's a lot more last year. But it could be that they're just haven't released all of them yet. Not quite sure. But a typical bath bomb, I would say, is anywhere from 7 ounces to about 9 ounces. That's a pretty typical range. This one was 13.4 ounces, so really massive bath bomb. And the price for this one was $14.95. And I thought it smelled good to me. It smelled a little bit masculine. But I thought it was really funny because the description said it smells like you walked into a Lush store. And that is very accurate. It just smells like the Lush store. It is supposed to be kind of citrusy and floral with the woodsy notes. And yeah, I think I pick up more on like the woodsy notes of it. But overall, thought it smelled pretty good. So the back of the bath bomb, you can see, is bubbling really quickly. That part of it was super active. And it became more vibrant and blue as the bath bomb dissolved. It was supposed to have some pinks in it. I only saw like a streak of pink towards the end, but mainly purple and blue. It left some really cool stripes in the tub that you'll see at the end. I did check on it about midway, and you can see where all that blue is in it. Thought that looked really cool. So that was fizzing a lot quicker than the rest of the bath bomb. I think in all this took about 10 minutes to completely dissolve. And like all their bath bombs, was very moisturizing. So I'll put the hilarious description that they gave for this bath bomb on their website. I'll put it in the description box below. And if you're not familiar, in the description box, I always put the name of the bath bomb, and I copy and paste what they have on their website describing the scents and any other information about the bath bomb, and normally the price and how many ounces as well. So always make sure you check that out. I also do have all my playlists for, I would say, the majority of my bath bomb demos, because I do so many on my channel. But here's the last little bit of the bath bomb. Kind of fell apart when I picked it up. And the water, as you would expect, is a dark purple. So really awesome bath bomb and very moisturizing, and yeah, this was a good one. I do have at least 1 or 2 more Valentine's Day bath bombs from Lush, so if you're interested in seeing those demos, make sure you subscribe and stay tuned. Thanks so much for watching. Bye, guys.